Ever wondered what a buyer agency contract is? Well, let's dive into the details. A buyer agency contract is a legal document that forms the foundation of a relationship between a real estate broker and a buyer or tenant. It's like a roadmap, outlining the roles, responsibilities, and expectations of both parties. It's more than just a piece of paper. It's a critical tool that ensures clarity and transparency in your real estate journey. Understanding this contract is key to a smooth real estate transaction. Let's dive into the key sections of a buyer agency contract. First up is the broker information, which includes crucial details about the broker's company, license, and contact info. Next, we have the buyer information, where the buyer acknowledges understanding the contract. The contract terms section outlines the starting and ending dates, plus any conditions under which the contract may end. Now, on to the broker's fee. This part details how the fee is calculated, whether in a purchase or a lease transaction. The dual agency and designated agency sections explain what happens if the broker represents both the buyer and the seller. The broker's services to others section clarifies that the broker can provide services to other parties but must prioritize the buyer's interests. We also have the confidentiality and expertise section, the buyer inspection section, and the recordings on property section. Lastly, we have special clauses and acknowledgement, which include any additional terms specific to this agreement, and where the buyer acknowledges having received the consumer notice. Remember, each section of the contract has its importance and should not be overlooked. In conclusion, the buyer agency contract isn't just a piece of paper. It's a roadmap that outlines the legal relationship between you and your real estate broker. It spells out roles, responsibilities, fees, and the length of the agreement. It's not something to glance over, it's something to read, understand, and absorb. Just like a good book, it deserves time and attention. If you have legal questions or need clarification on any part of this contract, it's advisable to consult with a real estate attorney.